How to make people respect you without being rude. Have you ever felt like people don't take you seriously? Like no matter what you say or do, they just don't respect you. The problem is, most people think they have only two choices, either be super nice and get walked all over or be rude and aggressive to earn respect. But what if I told you there's a way to make people respect you without being rude? In this video, I'll give you the exact steps to build real respect so people listen when you talk, value your presence, and treat you with dignity. Let's get into it. Number 1. Respect others first. You can't demand respect while disrespecting everyone around you. It's like expecting people to trust you when you constantly lie. It just doesn't work. When you treat people with respect, whether it's a boss, a waiter, or your younger sibling, you automatically set a standard. People will recognize it and reflect it back to you. So, step 1, give respect before expecting it. Number 2, keep your word. Have you ever met someone who always makes plans but never shows up? Or someone who promises things but never delivers? Annoying, right? If you want people to respect you, be reliable. If you say you'll do something, do it. If you can't, don't promise in the first place. Simple. Nothing earns respect faster than someone who actually follows through on their words. Number 3. Stop trying to please everyone. You can't make everyone happy. It's impossible. And the more you try, the more people take advantage of you. Respect comes from having your own standards and opinions. That doesn't mean you have to be rude, but you should be firm. If someone asks for a favor and you're genuinely busy, say, "I'd love to help, but I really can't right now." If someone pressures you into something you don't want to do, just say, "That's not really for me, but thanks for thinking of me." Being clear and confident in your boundaries makes people respect you more, not less. Number 4. Speak less, listen more. People respect those who actually listen when they talk. Most people just wait for their turn to speak. They don't really listen. But when you pay attention, ask questions, and engage with what others are saying, they see you as someone who values them. And guess what? People respect those who make them feel heard. So next time you're in a conversation, try this: listen more than you talk. Watch how people start valuing your words even more. Number 5. Carry yourself with confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud or bossy. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Stand tall. Make eye contact. Speak clearly. You don't need to force anything, just believe in what you say and how you act. People can feel it and they'll respect you naturally. But remember, confidence is not arrogance. Stay humble, but firm. Number 6. Admit when you're wrong. Nobody respects someone who always makes excuses or shifts the blame. If you mess up, just own it. Say, "Yeah, that was my mistake. I'll fix it." It's that simple. People respect honesty and accountability way more than fake perfection. Number 7. Don't gossip or speak negatively about others. The moment you start bad-mouthing someone behind their back, people start wondering, what do they say about me when I'm not around? Instead of gossiping, focus on positive conversations. Talk about ideas, goals, and things that actually matter. People will see you as someone worth respecting, not just another person who spreads negativity. Number 8. Learn to say no. If you say yes to everything, people start to walk all over you. You don't need to explain yourself every time. A simple "I can't do that right now" is enough. Saying no when necessary makes people respect your time and energy. Number 9. Keep improving yourself. People respect those who are constantly growing, learning, and improving. That doesn't mean you have to be perfect. But if you're always trying to be a better version of yourself, people will notice and respect you for it. Read books, learn new skills, take care of yourself. The more you grow, the more respect you'll gain without even asking for it. Number 10. Stay calm under pressure. Ever noticed how the most respected people don't lose their temper easily? If someone insults you, stay calm. If a situation gets stressful, handle it with patience. Losing your temper makes people fear you, not respect you. So, when things get heated, take a deep breath and respond with control, not emotion. That's what real respect looks like. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned. You don't need to be rude, loud, or aggressive to get it. Just be firm in your values, keep your word, and carry yourself with confidence. Now tell me, what's one habit you're going to start working on today to earn more respect? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more self-improvement insights. See you in the next video.